Mercedes test driver Nico Verdonk. What up YouTube? Welcome to a new car vlog. I have a surprise for you. Just listen. Okay, I'm at Racetrack Zolder in Belgium. They are here, the AMG driving performance days. But there's a special AMG here. Wait a minute. Fresh from the factory, the world's first AMG GTS with an Akrapovic evolution system. So YouTube, this is the one, this is the devil. The first AMG GTS fitted with the Akrapovic evolution system. Fully titanium. It's also official the demo car from the Akrapovic Benelux, aka GP products. And yeah, the sound is madness because the twin turbo V8 engine produces already a lot of mad sound. It pops. So I'm gonna show you guys some regular sounds and some full throttle sounds, and also an inside lap on this racetrack over here because I'm in Belgium at Circuit Zolder with Nico Verdonk, an AMG test driver. So enough talking, enough vlogging, let's hear the beast. I'm in the car with Mercedes test driver Nico Verdonk. He has his helmet up, that means serious business. And he's gonna push the car like, okay, I'm like track experienced, but this is like, holy moly. mother of Jesus. So the car is on race mode, the exhaust is full open, the track is a little bit wet. Full breakdown. So this is it. Yeah. This is the sound measure point, and now we're off again. She can't come in. Just watch this. Over the curbs. Okay, wacht even. It's raining, I need to clean the lens for you guys. Okay, listen up, honest. The sound, it's sick, eh? Seriously. So, thanks to the guys from GP Products for joining today the AMG Driving Experience Days with the fresh Akrapovic delivered AMG GTS. It's now back to the M140i and back to a new rally today because there are 2 days rally vlogging coming up. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a sub, leave a comment and let me know what you think about the sound of the Mad Benz. Ciao! What's that? It's a racetrack in Belgium. So Graham, what's up? Morning. I'm at the Circuit Park Shoulder at the AMG driving performance. But to be sure, I'm here for this car, the AMG GTS demo car with the first ever GTS Evolution exhaust. Gonna taper. So it's an AMG party here. Okay, this is wow. Later more. All right, let's do it now. Inside the AMG Acra with Nico Verdonk, AMG test driver. Holy mother! There we go. Full throttle going up. Up in the air. Woo! And then we go down. This is fun. Okay, here we go. Right, left. Here we go. wheels, baby. You got it. So Nico, thank you for the experience.
You're welcome. Ready?
Yeah. Whew. Watch the vlog. This is mad. So AMG Akrapovic, check. Now from Belgium off to the Netherlands, hometown Utrecht, pack the car and then off to Bonn in Germany for a 3-day rally. Chaos.